Hello everyone, this is a quick and simple preview of the custom ROM JellyBlast version 3. So to begin, it comes with a Holo launcher, which is by the way an older version, so you can update it from the Play Store. I'm going to show you that in a bit. So yeah, basically the basic Holo launcher, the same old app drawer and everything, but once you install this ROM, if you are going to go to launcher settings, then go to about launcher and tap here to check for updates. It is going to tell you that there is a newer version available and you are going to install from the Play Store. The developer also said that he has left the Samsung TouchWiz launcher, but he has modified it, so let's check that out as well. There we go, there is Samsung Home. You can see the dock icons are changed as well, but the icon size and the font looks the same for the clock here, and the app drawer, but this time if you notice we cannot see the full names of the apps. For example, in Doodle Jump we just see Doodle, but yeah, we still have the pages at the top and everything. Next, what we're going to check is the dialer. It is changed, you can see how it looks. And the call histories, favorites, and we go to contacts. This is what they look like, and the message app. This ROM comes with the ice cream sandwich keyboard. You can also have autocorrect option and all that, which I'm going to show in a bit from where you can change that in the settings. So anyways, you talk and it also predicts words for you, which is good. For example, I'm going to type in good, and there you go, you see, instead of typing the full word, it predicts it for you. This is perfect for if you are going to type in longer words. So yeah. And now about the autocorrect feature, like I said, you go to settings, scroll down a bit, go to vocale and text, ice cream sandwich keyboard free, and here you can change various options. Auto capitalization, vibrate on key press, this is enabled by default when you first flash the ROM. I personally hate it, so I have turned it off. We also have sounds, pop-up, voice, and here it is, auto correction. Now I find this annoying as well, so I have turned it off, but you can set it to modest if you like it. And correction suggestions, this is what I said, like prediction of text. I have it enabled, comes with great use, and it's not as annoying as the autocorrect feature, which corrects your word after you press the space button. Sometimes it corrects the words to other words which you do not want. That is why I find it annoying. And since we are in the settings menu, let's check it out a bit as well. You can see how in wireless and networks it is kind of separated. We have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, call settings, and more. In more, we have the basic settings which you're familiar with. Then we go mobile networks, and you've got network mode here. There is no use only 3G option, as you can see in this one. And from here, all these settings, you are familiar with them. Let's go to JellyBlast control. We've got quick panel settings, which helps you modify notification screen, which icons you want to be here. As you can see in here, there are quite a bit, like flight mode. We have a flashlight here, GPS, packet data, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. You can go here and you can enable which ones to stay there and which one you do not want. So for example, I'm going to toggle Wi-Fi sync as well. Now let me scroll down. You see how it is gone? This is how you can modify your notification screen. You can take away stuff you do not want to be there. and you can also set an order which one to come first. This is also great. Yeah, very customizable here. Next we have walk screen and other settings. We have battery history, battery information. So instead of typing that code in the dialer where you go to battery information and all that, you can just go to these settings and you can find information which used to be found there. And more various settings here, animations, transitions, buttons, and if you are interested in the walk screen style, here it is. These are the styles which are available. I'm not going to show each one of them because it might take a while. So the rotary is what I'm currently using, which is this one. Sorry. This is what I'm currently using. We also have a lot more, like lens and Samsung and all that. There we go. And a few others. You can check them out for yourself if you are planning on flashing this ROM. And the rest of the options and all that at the bottom here. Next we have status bar modes. We've got color tweaks, battery options, battery bar signal options. The options are pretty much self-explanatory. I don't think there is a need for me to explain anything. You can export them for yourself. Oh, and there is this battery bar thing. I have currently set it to off. Most people seem to find it annoying and ugly because you get this little line here at the status bar at the top. Depending on how much battery you have left, that's how long it will be. And we have signal options here. Next we have beats equalizer. That's what we have here. System app replacer, which launches the system apps installer app, which comes with this ROM. And here are the CPU settings. The CPU settings option launches the no-frills CPU control app, and we have the max frequencies, minimum frequencies. By default they're set like this, maximum being this one and minimum being this one. We also have a choice of governors. And IO schedulers. I cannot spell it right. And also the apply on boot option. So once you choose this and tap on apply, you apply these settings upon boot. So I have to go here and set them again. And we have CPU states, which launches the CPU spy app, which tells you how much you have used of your CPU over the hours ever since you have booted your phone. Total time state ever since the phone was booted. The kernel which comes with this is Kurotsuki's kernel. So yeah, deep sleep, these here. And another cool feature which this ROM has is the check for updates option, meaning you can update the ROM without the need of downloading and transferring zip files to your SD card and all that from your computer. And when you go there, it will let you know if there is an update available. So just be patient. This requires internet connection. There we go, it says no updates available for now. So yeah, this covers the settings part which we have. And finally, here are some things which I should have mentioned in the beginning of this video. We've got tons of wallpapers available which come with this ROM. Go to wallpapers. We have just a few here in the wallpaper gallery. And we have tons more increased wallpapers. As you can see, that's a lot. You have a lot of choices. And of course, let's not forget the apps which come with this. The apps which come one of them being Dolby Mobile, CPU Spy, Beats Audio, File Manager, No Frills CPU Controller, Holo Launcher, JellyBeans Search, Link to SD. It also comes rooted, I forgot to mention. System Apps Installer, and yeah, that's about it. And after that, YouTube, Gmail, the stock apps. And that's about it. This is a quick preview of the JellyBlast ROM. Like I said, I cannot cover all of the changes and features it has. Basically, I'm showing a quick preview of this. Hope this was of use, and it's a good ROM. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.